Good morning, everyone. So we already passed by the project lifecycle phases. We gave a small introduction to the project opportunity phase, project award phase, project sustainability phase. So now we'll dive deep in the project award phase where we have a contract and now we are going to execute this contract. So what activities will be done? Let us see together. So now in the project award phase, now as we can see, we have what we discussed, the PMI process groups from project initiation, project planning, project execution, project monitoring and controlling, and finally project closing. So now you have a valid contract as we agreed coming from the opportunity phase, and now you will start the initiation phase of your project, where in the phase exit of this project initiation we'll go deep in every subphase or project process group in the coming slides. So what is the phase exit as we agreed for the project initiation? So mainly it is a booked project in your system, project advance payment invoice issued and paid, project advance bank guarantee, project performance bank guarantee, the customer LC if the customer is not willing to transfer payment directly, it will be and he needs to open an LC for the bank to finance this project. So this will be the output from the project initiation. After that, you will go to the project planning, where the phase exit from the project planning, sure, it is the project baselines, which is the scope baseline, what is the activities you are going to do in this project, what is your bill of material, the baseline time schedule, the agreed time you will be completing the project with the activities dependencies, and the cost baseline, how you are going to plan your cost on this project and how you will plan the revenue recognition, approve the project organization chart, approved communication metrics. Also, you will have the update for the risk register, and also a weekly report that maybe your customer requirement, a template to be agreed with your customer, and a monthly report also template to be agreed with your customer, if your customer is requesting weekly status reports or a monthly status reports, or both of them. Next, it is the project execution phase, where the output of this or the phase exit checklist from the project execution. Sure, you need to have the approved design documents, the signed FAT reports, release for procurement certificates, release for manufacturing certificates, signed site acceptance reports or signed test reports, signed backups handover. If you have a software system and you are doing the final backup and you are handing over to the customer, you need to have the signature, all the invoices submitted and paid, your LC status, either if still you have a milestone payment after warranty period, you need to ask your customer to extend the date if it is already expired. Signed material delivery note. Sure, all of this are phase exits to the project execution. For project monitoring and controlling, as we mentioned, it is from the initiation up to the closing of the project, where you are monitoring the status of your project, controlling any scope creep, cost creep, time creep. All of this you need to monitor and do the preventive and corrective actions during the monitoring and controlling. What are the phase exits here for monitoring and controlling? So we have reports, mostly are reports coming of this, or change records are coming out of this. We have the project financial forecast. We have the job to date financial status summary reports. We have the procurement tracking file updates. We have the warehouse tracking file updates. So your material is still in the warehouse, part is delivered, part inside. Procurement status, did you procure all the material, what is the remaining? Okay, project milestone phase, did you complete the design phase, did you start complete the procurement, did you complete the all of this should be output from the monitoring and controlling. Weekly status reports, weekly update, the minutes of meeting of these status reports also, estimate to complete projections. Also, we have the comparison about the actual cost you incurred with the target cost your company made for you for this project for specific months. Invoicing status, time schedule, project time schedule update, LD. What is the status of the LD for this project? Did your customer raising he is going to apply penalty for you or not? All of this reports are output from the project monitoring and controlling. Finally, we are proceeding with the project closing, where we completed all the different phases of project execution. Where the phase exit for the project closing, we have the lesson learned for this project, final invoices, invoice paid, advance and performance bank guarantees. We requested the customer to return back and receive it back. Signed snags clearance report, warranty certificate issued to your customer, approved as-built documents, approved operations and maintenance manuals, training to customer. If your contract includes training, you need to conduct the training for your customer, the spare parts handover if your contract contains spare parts. All of this will be like assigned reports by the phase exit of the project closing. Thank you.